Good morning, YouTube. This is Chuck Generals. I want to welcome you to my channel. Your favorite toy, the StripMeister wire stripper. And this went on their site today. They've got a great site. They've got a lot of videos on there that show you how to do certain things with this tool to make it more efficient and faster for you. And that's what I've been doing today. And give me a second, I'll show you what I've done today. So I've put what's left of this number 12 stranded THHN on a little reel stand that I've had when I was doing electrical work. And it works good for pulling it off. It doesn't hang up or nothing. But when I went on their site, I learned a couple new tricks on how to set up your wire. I went from a number 6, now I'm running this number 12. The 6 I was running here, now the 12 I'm running in a smaller hole. They show you how to set this up where it works really well. And do the little test things like I did before in another video. But this is what I've done this morning. And I believe this is around 180 feet of insulation that I've stripped. And it has to be 35 minutes. I don't know what that turns out to be in pounds, but it's a lot. But it's only number 12, so it takes a lot to make a pound. So anyhow, let me show you how this thing works now, and I'll be right back. So this is the same setup I had before. And I didn't screw my StripMeister to the bench. I've got it clamped with 2 clamps here on a 2x4, piece of 2x4, and it's clamped to the bench here, so it doesn't go anywhere. And this is my lucky 2x4 because it already had a notch here where I can set my wire in so it's like at a 15-degree angle. Got the drill and got it set up, so this is how good it works now. Okay, so I'm guessing that's about 10 feet. I take it off about 10 or 12 feet at a time. And then we go on this back side and cut it. Now what I was having trouble with before was trying to split this plastic jacket and the insulation because the wire's so small and it's so tight, and they said, well, what you do is you take a pair of strippers. And they use the different style, and you strip off a piece of the copper like that, stick your fingernail in there, and you do that. So you see how long it's taken to get that. And we'll just peel this real quick. So now it's peeled, and like I always do, I fold it now. I start folding it and just do this with it. And before I was having trouble, I was getting poked in the hand because I had it set too tight. And what it was doing, it was breaking off little pieces and they'd stick in your hand. And it's like having a little needle stuck in you. But I always do this to make it fit in the bucket better, and I can get more in a small bucket. And those small buckets have less of a tear weight at the yard than a big bucket. So there that is. That's how quick. I don't know how, I didn't time that. I don't know how long it took, but it wasn't very long. And, well, this for giggles, I'm going to go weigh it. Be right back. Alright guys, we're over here at my favorite thing, the scale. It's a cloudy day, so I'm not getting any glare on the readout. And as you can see, we're set here at pounds and ounces. And let's just see what this weighs. I'm sure it doesn't a pound. 2 pounds, 8 ounces. And that's what I've been averaging on every piece that I've cut. And if you look here, this is my other bucket now I'm thinking this is number 1 Bare Bright. I see what the yard will give me. At the worst, it's just number 1. But I think it's going to go as Bare Bright because it's bright. So it's working good, and about every 10 or 12 feet that I pull off, I end up getting right at between 2 and 2.8 ounces every time. So it doesn't take you long to get over a pound or 2 pounds, and that's good with this smaller wire. Alright, be back. Alright guys, I'm going to do it from a little bit different angle here. You saw how that come off the reel and all that before, but this is how we do it. Well, you saw it before, all the longer that took to do that. I'm guessing that was about a minute. And this was just a few seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or so. But now I'm jabbering on here, so it's it may take a little longer. So let me back you out here a little bit. We'll cut that and strip it. You can time it anywhere you want if you want to, I don't care. But this is a lifesaver here. Like I said, they didn't use this stripper. And this is a harder stripper than what they were using. It's all manual labor, and theirs was spring loaded on the video. And they've got several videos there, even on the larger machines with the motor made on them. And their variable speed and whatnot, but wow, as fast as I can do this, I guess I'm not going to be too interested in another one. But that's all the longer that took to do. Like I say, I take more time doing this actually than doing the actual stripping, because it takes a while to fold all this up like this. But it's taking less time now because I'm not getting poked with little wickers as I go now. It's just coming off there nice and clean. And yeah, do I get poked every once in a while? Yeah, you'll break one just twisting it like this sometimes. But there's another one. All right. That's two in about 2 minutes. I'll go see what this one weighs and be right back. All right, guys, there's the scale. I decided to bring you along just to see. And that one's 2.8 also. So I'm averaging about 2.8, 2.6 most of the time. So that makes a pound really fast. All right, be back. All right, guys, so this is what I got. Some yesterday and today. And this is a 2-gallon bucket. And as you can see, it's that far from the top, right there. Okay, let's see what it weighs. This for grins. Okay, let's get Mr. Bucket up here. Now, there's a couple pieces of, looks like very bright to me, but it's not wire. Whoops, I didn't get the scale on. Hang on. Not going too fast. But that was in there yesterday, so it doesn't matter. Okay, pounds, ounces. And it looks like 9 pounds, 1 ounce. So there's 10 ounces for tare weight on the bucket. I actually write that on my bucket now to see if that helps. So it's 10 ounces of tare, 9 pounds, let's see, that's going to leave 6, 7, about 8.5 pounds of copper. Really happy with that. So if y'all like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Give it a good comment. Come back again. Thank you so much for watching. Like the words say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, give a great comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get future notifications, and definitely come back.